homemade hamburger. As you can see, I use whole wheat bread. We did our own burgers, patties. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make some homemade burgers, some spicy homemade burgers. And for that to happen, first we have here some ground meat. This is about 1 pound of ground meat. When you are shopping for ground meat for your burgers, you want to make sure your ground meat have at least about 20% of fat. Why? You want to have some juicy patties. For that to happen, you need to have some fat. So don't go 100% lean meat to make your burgers. Next thing you should know, when you are seasoning your burgers, do not add salt to your burgers until they are finished. Do not add salt to your patties for your burgers until they are finished. So I am going to season my burgers now, and you're going to see some nice flavor that I'm going to add to my beef patties. So first I'm going to add some blended homemade season. That's it. That is garlic, chive, thyme, onion, and some other stuff. So that is out of the way. We don't need to chop any of those things. We don't need to chop any garlic, onion, chives, or any other things. So what we have else here, we are going to add some these are minced green peppers. I have the green there, this is the red, and some yellow. And we are going to add some paprika. And that's all the seasoning we need. Our beef patties are ready to fry. They are nicely made. And next thing we don't want to do when our burger patties are frying, we don't want to go in and rest on the burger, press it down, because actually what we are doing, we are squeezing out the juice. So we want our patties to remain juicy. So best not to press on it while it is cooking. We are going to make our spreading. We have here, this is light mayonnaise. We are going to add some barbecue sauce. This is spicy honey barbecue sauce. We are going to add some. We are going to mix. So this is going to be a flavorful spreading for your burger. Oh, I could imagine you biting into these burgers. So for a better and a spicier flavor, we are going into this sauce with some thyme. Yeah, that's right. We are going to mix. And our barbecue spreading is ready. So we are toasting our buns here for our burgers. So our buns already toasted. So we are going to add a generous amount of our barbecue spreading. We did not add any butter because it is not necessary, because I mean this is going to make your burger juicy. We don't want too much of fat. We're going to add a generous amount. Yeah. So if you want cheeseburger, what you're going to do after your patties are done, you're going to add some cheese on top and cover your pot so the steam can melt your cheese. And these patties were finished within 10 minutes, about 5 minutes on each side. So our burgers, the cheese is ready. We are going to move it after only a few minutes. So this is the final result of our homemade burgers. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and comment below. Let me know how did yours came out. Oh, I can't wait to sink my teeth into this burger. The barbecue flavor is so delicious, and those spicy burgers, this is a must try, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy my burgers. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.